Oscarville, the town. Beneath the Georgia lake, the forgotten Black community of Forsyth County. Chapter 8, The College Students. The lake shimmered with a strange light, and Evan heard laughter, bright, youthful, full of promise. From the water rose 3 young men and 2 young women, books clutched to their chests, their faces glowing with the dreams of futures they never lived. "We were students," one said, his voice trembling with memory. "We studied in Gainesville, hoping to bring knowledge back to Oscarville. We dreamed of teaching, of building businesses, of raising families with wisdom." Another added, her voice breaking, "But the mobs came. They saw our ambition as a threat. They chased us, beat us, drowned us. Our books sank with us into the river." Evan's father whispered, his voice heavy with sorrow, "Son, these were your age. Their dreams could have been yours." Evan's eyes burned with resolve. "Then I will carry their dreams forward." The students lifted their books, pages glowing like fireflies, illuminating the night with the light of knowledge. We were promised cut short, futures erased, but knowledge does not drown. It waits to be spoken. Evan stepped forward, his voice steady. "Your lessons will not be lost. Your voices will rise again." Their figures shook, their books dissolving into light that swirled around Evan's hands, filling him with their unfinished dreams. One of the young women smiled faintly, her voice tender. "You are our witness. You are our continuation." Their laughter echoed once more, bittersweet, before fading into the ripples of the lake. Evan stood still, whispering the truth they left him. Dreams drowned are dreams reborn in memory.